Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Redshift to Power BI, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Amazon Redshift to Power BI, begin by launching Power BI Desktop. From the Home tab, click on Get Data. In the Get Data window, select More to explore additional data sources. Search for and select Amazon Redshift from the list provided. Click on the Connect button at the bottom right of the window. In the Amazon Redshift database window, enter the server name. The server name typically follows the format, your --cluster-name.region.redshift.amazonaws.com. Input the database name you wish to connect to in the database field. Next, provide your username and password associated with the Redshift cluster. Ensure that your network settings allow access to the Redshift cluster. Click on the Connect button to establish the connection. Power BI will initiate the connection process, which may take a few moments. Once connected, you will see a navigator window displaying your available database tables. Select the tables you want to import into Power BI. You can either load the data directly or transform it using Power Query before loading. If you choose to transform the data, click on the Transform Data button. In the Power Query editor, make any necessary changes to your dataset. Once ready, click on Close and Apply to load the data into Power BI. Your Amazon Redshift data will now be available for visualizations and reporting. Explore the various visualization options in Power BI to analyze your data effectively. Save your Power BI report to keep your connection and work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.